Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Lamborghini Huracan in drive. First, ensure your Huracan is in park. Locate the prominent red engine start button, usually found under a flip-up cover on the center console. Press and hold the brake pedal firmly with your right foot. This is a crucial safety step before you can start the powerful V10 engine. With your foot still on the brake, press the red start button to bring the magnificent V10 engine to life. You'll hear that iconic roar. If you need to back up, simply pull the R paddle shifter, located on the left side of the steering wheel. Remember to always use your mirrors and the rear-view camera for safe reversing. To engage drive, pull the right paddle shifter, marked with a plus sign, towards you. You'll see the gear indicator on your dashboard change from R or N to D. Now, gently release the electronic parking brake, typically a small button or lever near the center console. You are now ready to experience the thrill of driving your Huracan forward. With drive engaged, gently press the accelerator pedal to move forward. The Huracan's transmission is incredibly responsive, offering seamless shifts. For a more engaging experience, use the paddle shifters to manually control your gears. Remember to check the description for a link to grab little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Enjoy the incredible performance and handling of your Lamborghini Huracan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.